In this video, we shall be looking at line geometry. Assuming we have different lines joined together in this manner. This one is parallel to this. And this line is as well parallel to this. If I label this angle A and this is angle B, here is C, this is angle D, and E, F, G, and H. Maybe I can label here I, J, K, all. Then what this means is that different lines can be joined together to form different angles, and there are rules guiding this. We'll look at different rules. I can say rule number 1, alternate angle. Alternate angle, angle A and angle E are alternate. So angle A is equal to angle E, and angle D is equal to angle H. Angle D is equal to angle H, and same thing is applicable here. B is equal to L and K is equal to A. And you can as well label this side, these 4 angles, to be the same. So, but let's take these few angles, for instance. Alternate angle. Alternate angle. Then the second one is corresponding angle. It means that angle A corresponds to angle A is equal to angle G, and angle H corresponds to angle B. And for this side, we can say that angle C corresponds to angle E, and angle F corresponds to angle D. They are all equal. Corresponding angle. Then the third one will be vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite. I will check 2 angles that are vertically opposite, which is H and F, G and E, B and D, and A and C. There. Once 2 angles are vertically opposite, they are equal. So we can say that angle B is equal to angle D, and angle A is equal to angle C. And this is vertically opposite angle. Now let's see how we can apply these three rules we highlighted. Consider this example. If we have this diagram, with this arrow indicating the direction, here is 50 degrees and here is 86 degrees, and this place is X, and here is 64 degrees. You have Q, R, S, T, U, and O. And we are asked to find angle X. Find angle X. I've seen cases where students tend to interpret this wrongly. We already know that when you have an angle like this and this, we can say that it's an alternate. Will you say that if you interpret it this way, that 86 is alternate to X, what about 64? Will it still not be alternate to X? And then what about 50? Is 50 not alternate to 86? So let's solve this. We'll first of all repeat the same diagram. So here is 50. But at this time, this is O, Q, R, S, T, U. At this time, we will tend to do some manipulation, which is if I decide to divide this angle 86, then I can confidently say that this place should be alternate to 50. And so this place is alternate to this 50 degrees. Let me label here N and label here this angle M. We can as well divide angle X into 2. Let's label here Y and angle Y, and let's label here angle Z. And don't forget, we have here to be 64 degrees. 64 degrees. So from this diagram, I can say that angle R is equal to N plus M. And angle X, which we are asked to find, is equal to Y plus Z. Then to solve this, we can say that angle N is equal to 50 degrees, which is alternate angle. Alternate angle. Then, since we already know that R is equal to 86 degrees, then we can say that 86 degrees is equal to N. We know that we've gotten N to be 50, is equal to 50 plus M. And making M the subject of formula, we can say that M is equal to 86 minus 50, and this will be equal to 36. degrees for M. So now we've seen that M is 36 degrees. Similarly, we can say that Z is equal to 64, which is alternate angle. In this, let's close this part and create a new page. So if Z is equal to 64, which is alternate angle, 64 degrees, then we already know that Z is 64 and we have M to be 36. Then we can say that Y is equal to 36 degrees, which is alternate angle. Then we know that X is equal to Y plus Z, and this implies that X is equal to 64 plus 36, and this is equal to 100. This implies that angle X is 100 degrees. This is our final answer. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, feel free to email us at Science E-Learning Academy, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.